Hi friends, welcome to my channel Girls Multi-Talent Zone. Myself Sonal Agarwal. If I say pen means right, now what comes to your mind? This just not a question. This is a logic thinking of your mind. In today's video, we will solve the analog questions and also yes, I will explain the logic behind of each. So don't skip the video till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for more videos and also comment me on my comment box which exam you are preparing. So let's get started the video. Let's start MCQs with explanation. My first question is astronomy means stars. Agronomy what is? First, fertilizers. Second, pesticides. Third, crops. Fourth, puzzles. So tell me, what is the answer? Tell me. The correct answer is crops. Explanation. Astronomy is the scientific study of selected objects such as stars, plants, etc. Agronomy is the science technology of producing and using plants in agriculture such as food, crops, etc. My second question is 8 similar to 776. So what is similar of 13? First 1396, second 2346, third 2366, fourth 2126. So tell me, what is the answer? Tell me. The correct answer is 2366. Explanation. 8 into bracket a plus 1 is equal to 576. 13 into 13 plus 1 is equal to 2366. My third question is grapes, similar word of fruits. What the similar word of turmeric? First, vegetables. Second, dates. Third, spices. Fourth, food. So tell me, what is the answer? Tell me. The correct answer is spices. Explanation. Grapes is a food, where turmeric is a spices. My fourth question is 4 similar number is 80. 9 similar number what is? 1 120, second 270, third 145, fourth 810. So tell me, what is the answer? Tell me. The correct answer is 810. Explanation. 4 multiplication 4 plus 1 is equal to 80. 9 multiplication 9 plus 1 8 10. Thank you for watching Girls Multi-Talent Zone. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos.